Y'all get in here, because I've got the one and only Shawnda Stewart on today. How you doing?
I'm fine. Hi, MJ. How are you?
I am good. I'm so happy to have you on because you are one of our star insurance producers. And I will tell you, I hear so many great things from people that you work with about just how you make the insurance buying process easy, how people who never purchased insurance before, who were intimidated by the process, is like when they work with you, it's like they want to work, they want to buy more, and they want to send even their family and friends through the process. So what I wanted to do, because I think that sometimes with life insurance, people have a hard time putting a real face to it. You know what I mean? That the insurance professionals who sell these products are real people just like them. I want to be able to have an insurance professional like yourself on today so we can kind of just have a conversation about just the importance of life insurance and what the process is like to be able to get it through you, because you are someone who can help people nationwide to get life insurance. So let's go ahead and kick it off. Tell us where you are, just a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm from LA County. My business is in Carson, California. I'm a native of Long Beach originally and wandered away about 15 minutes away from my native town to Carson. I got my license about a year ago. Last Friday made 1 year. So I'm so excited. Yes, it's been an incredible journey. I appreciate your programs, all of the motivation. At first, I was reluctant and got in there and just pushed forward, and things just took off. And you have a phenomenal lead program, and I have been doing well. But thank you for having me.
You've been doing incredible. You're doing incredible. I think you were last week. I don't know if you know this yet, but last week you were number one. You were number one last week. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Yeah. So you are absolutely killing it. And I didn't realize you've only been in it for a year.
A year. Last Friday made 1 year. My California resident license, and I got it. I was so excited.
Wow. What do you think it is about you that makes clients so comfortable so quickly? Because you have a gift with that.
I try to be keep everything so they understand it. Keep it in layman terms, not try to use too many formal terms, technical terms that we know as professional agents, and make it so it's explainable. I think a lot of people did not get insurance before because they need an agent that's going to take the time and be patient and listen to their needs and apply the coverage to their needs. And so I try to do that. I try to make sure I have allocated enough time with my clients so I can have that patience with them and see what it is that their needs are for their family. I think that's very important, taking your time and making sure they understand what it is about life insurance, the importance of it, understanding the details of the coverage and the benefits and how they work, differences in term and permanent, which is a big topic. I think once we're able to get past that and then get into the benefits of the product itself as life insurance, that clients seem to want to move forward with getting a policy with me.
Yeah, that's definitely what I found within my insurance career, is that people want the product as long as you explain it in a way that makes it very clear, because it's a product that's so compelling and everybody needs it. And it's just a matter of, are you working with an agent that explains it in a way that is clear and that's respectful of who you are, respectful of where you're at, because people don't buy insurance every day. And I think that it's respectful of what you talk about is really respecting that client, to be able to explain it to them in a way that helps them to fully internalize what it is that you're offering. I wanted to ask you this: when you talk about the importance of life insurance, one of the things that I hear come up from time to time is, I don't need no insurance. I don't have no kids, or I'm single, or, my kids grown, they'll be all right. When that comes up, because you and I know that that's not the case, but what do you say to folks when they mention that kind of stuff?
When I say that, I say we're educating on financial literacy and advising all of our clients in the community that it's not just about the death benefit, but we're talking about the living benefits, the opportunity to withdraw from that policy and invest in property. Perhaps you have children coming up that may have tuition that needs funding. Maybe you need a trip, for whatever purpose. I let them know it's there for you, and always understanding that we're not just worried about those beneficiaries that are going to receive, that love gift in case a client transitions, but we're also concerned about those living benefits. And so that's what I say to them, the importance of it, not leaving your family in turmoil or hardship. If someone were to transition, and I've been through that before, if someone transitions and there's no life insurance, the family is going to go through a lot. That leaves the family having to take out loans, do donations, GoFundMe, fundraisers. I've seen it all. I've heard it all. I've even had clients that call me and say, Miss Stewart, you tried to call me a couple of weeks and I was checking on it for myself. But in the interim of me circling back with you to get my policy, I lost a loved one. So then they learn the significance and importance of it. And they learn lessons from waiting and not getting it.
I love that you mentioned that, especially about the timing of it. Because I mean, at the end of the day, the only thing that's certain is that you have breath in your body in this moment. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. And one of the other things I think about is the living benefits. A lot of people believe that when they think about life insurance, it's just the idea of paying out. What you call it, that love gift? Is that what you called it?
Yes, a love
I've
gift.
never heard it referred to that way, but paying out that love gift to your benefit. If that, whenever you transition, that's what a lot of people think about. But what a lot of people don't know, which is a major reason for some people getting life insurance, is about the living benefits and how you can build up cash in it while you're alive. Policy types. How does that work? So I think for some people, they're like, that sounds good, but what does that exactly mean?
So it just means that when they're making their premium payments on a monthly basis, a portion of that is going to go towards your cash bucket, so to speak. And there are fees associated with a policy, and therefore there's some of the portion of the premium goes to certain things. But when we talk about the living benefits and we talk about the cash value that's available to our clients, it's about you making your monthly premium, and a portion of that goes into a bucket or a kitty, so to speak. And as you continue to make those monthly premium payments, it accumulates and it will be there for you. There are a lot of carriers that don't offer final expense, but we do have carriers that offer final expense for like quality funeral products, caskets, tombstones, those type of things, and so we like to make sure we let clients know that that's available for their death benefit. We like to let them know also they have living benefits. So we explain the product to them so they know exactly what they're getting into.
I love it. Now, let me ask you this. If folks want to work with you, what is that process like? In terms of they say, okay, so I would call you up or you call me. What does that process look like?
So what it looks like is I schedule my clients. I try to give a 30-minute consult, but I do block an hour of time because certain clients, it's not cookie cutter. Some know about life insurance, some don't. So I have to make sure I make myself available to them and not make it a rush process. We're not selling anything to you. We're offering a product that fits the needs of the client in terms of life insurance, investment purposes, retirement purposes, whatever your needs are. So the best way to get with me is, that you can see there, you have it displayed, is contact me with my toll-free number. You may leave a message. I offer, I'm available through text message, and I schedule appointments. I make them available in the evening, weekend, and being nationwide. I make myself available for different time zones. And so because I'm flexible and I have a scheduling system that I use, it works, and I make myself available to my clients.
I love it. I love it. Well, I want to thank you so much for being on today. I want to thank you so much for joining the team. I'm very grateful for that. But more than anything else, I want to thank you for putting yourself out there today to just really talk to the world about the importance of life insurance. Because at the end of the day, I think that there are so many people who need it, but just being honest, the reason why they're not getting it is because of the fact that they don't know anyone who offers it, or they don't see anyone who looks like them who offers it. And I think that sometimes just that touch of being able to see someone, they say, you know what, I'm gonna call her. So thank you for making yourself available today, because I know you have a very busy schedule. So thank you for carving out this time.
Absolutely. And I want to give you your flowers right now while I'm talking in front of everybody. You deserve them. You've done a phenomenal job. Great inspiration, great motivation to my life. You've helped me change it and my family's. I thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, Shonda. Well, what I want you to
Okay.
stick around for just a second, and then what's going to happen is in 3 seconds, we're both going to smile, looking at our lens, and that'll be the cover shot for it.
Okay.
So, all right, 1, 2, 3. All right, painless, wasn't it?
Yeah.